Looking for a free way to create and manage databases online? Baserow offers a free plan that allows you to organize data, collaborate with others, and build powerful database workflows without writing code. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Baserow for free in 2026. First, visit the Baserow website and create a free account using your email address. If you already have an account, simply sign in and continue. After logging in, create a workspace. A workspace is where you'll organize your databases, tables, and projects. Give it a name that matches your intended use. Next, create a database. You can start from scratch or choose a template if one is available. Databases are used to store and organize your information. Inside your database, create tables and add fields such as text, numbers, dates, checkboxes, or file attachments. This helps structure your data in a way that's easy to manage. Start adding records to your tables. You can enter information manually or import data from supported file formats if available. Baserow allows you to create different views, sort records, and apply filters. These tools make it easier to find and organize information as your database grows. If collaboration is included in your plan, you can invite team members to your workspace and work together on shared databases. Yeah, this can be useful for projects, teams, and business workflows. And that's how to use Baserow for free in 2026. With a free account, you can build databases, organize information, and manage projects without needing advanced technical skills. So take some time to explore the platform and customize it to fit your workflow. Thanks for watching.